Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me again Hasnan. Today I got my drone for my YouTube videos. I had ordered this drone from Amazon. So let's see this drone. The instructions. This is drone. The remote, and here's the drone. Here front is camera. I really don't know why this is not opening. So here we go. Now it's say I have to charge camera. Here's the front light. Okay. And then I got these all accessories for these things are extra. If they're broken, then I can use this. USB is for charging. So these are all things. In next video I will show you the procedure, and I'll make the video of drones. I will go outside and then I will make a video from outside. How's the camera result, or how fast is this camera. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Bye bye.
Für den ersten Tag. Guck mal hier deine Geister, warum liegen die hier? Warum isst du die nicht?
Wochenende mit Ausschlafen ist es trotzdem Essig in der Nacht.
So the battery is full now. It takes 80 to 100 minutes. It's around 1 hour and 40 minutes to charge. Here's the small pin here. I have to put and will be charged. Now here I can put the battery, and then we'll go outside and make a video. In this remote here you can put your mobile, and here's the all setting and buttons for camera, and here you have to open it, the small screw, and put the small batteries. Hello friends, so the video is finished now, and I wanted to show you how it looks now, my drone. And the drone is damaged from backside. The both side I have damage, and but the still the drone is working. The next time I will go to outside somewhere in a big park where there is no trees or there is no buildings, so then I can learn from there how to in correct way to fly this drone. And if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe, like, share with your friends. Thank you so much, and wait for my next video. Bye bye.